Hey there, Wellness Whiz kids! Are you ready to level up your sports skills? Today, we're diving into basic sports drills that are fun, easy, and perfect for kids of all ages. Let's get moving and learn some awesome moves to boost our game. We'll be your coaches for the day, and trust me, these drills are so much fun, it's like playing games. We'll show you how to dribble like a basketball superstar, pass a soccer ball with amazing accuracy, and swing a tennis racket like a pro. And the best part? You can practice these drills right at home, in your backyard, or even at the park with your friends. So, are you ready to have some fun and become a sports superstar? Put on your sneakers, grab your gear, and let's get started. Let's start with basketball. It's one of the most exciting and energetic sports out there. Basketball is all about awesome dribbling and super cool shots. It's a game that combines skill, speed, and strategy. Are you ready to learn some slam dunk drills? These drills will help you become a better player and have tons of fun. Let's go. Get ready to jump into the action and improve your game. First up is the dribble drill. This drill is essential for mastering ball control. This one's super important because it helps you control the ball like a pro. Dribbling is the foundation of all your moves on the court. Grab your basketball, or even just imagine you have one in your hands, and let's get dribbling. It's all about getting comfortable with the ball. Start by dribbling with your right hand. Keep your eyes up and focus on your surroundings. Bounce the ball up and down, using your fingertips to control the ball. Feel the rhythm and get into the groove. Don't slap it, just tap it like you're saying hello to the ground. Gentle taps give you better control. Now switch it up. Variety is key to becoming a versatile player. After 10 seconds of dribbling with your right hand, switch to your left hand. Keep that ball bouncing. This helps you become ambidextrous. It might feel a little tricky at first if you're not used to using your left hand for dribbling, but keep practicing. Every great player started somewhere. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Consistency is the key to improvement. It's like magic, but with a basketball. You'll be amazed at how quickly you improve. Ready for a challenge? Let's push our skills even further. Let's take our dribbling skills to the next level. Advanced drills will make you a standout player. Find some cones, toys, or anything you can use as obstacles. This will help you practice maneuvering around defenders. Now try dribbling around them. This simulates real game situations. Weave in and out, go slow, go fast, have fun with it. Experiment with different speeds and techniques. This will make you a dribbling superstar in no time. Your confidence will soar. Now, let's move on to the shooting drill. Shooting is where the magic happens. Shooting hoops is the best part of basketball, right? It's all about precision and practice. Let's practice our aim and become scoring machines. The more you shoot, the better your accuracy. Stand close to the hoop, or maybe just pretend you have a hoop in front of you and get ready to shoot. Visualization is a powerful tool. Hold the ball with both hands, bend your knees a little and throw the ball towards the hoop. Use your legs to generate power. Remember to aim for the backboard. It's your best friend when it comes to shooting. It increases your chances of scoring. The backboard helps to guide the ball into the net. It's like having an extra pair of hands. Swish, that satisfying sound of the ball going through the net. As you get better and better, try taking a few steps back from the hoop. Challenge yourself to shoot from different distances. Keep practicing your shots, and don't worry if you miss sometimes. Missing is part of the learning process. Even the best basketball players in the world miss sometimes. It's all about perseverance. The most important thing is to keep practicing and have fun. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress. Pro tip: always keep your eyes up while you're dribbling. This helps you stay aware of the game. This helps you see where you're going and where the other players are. It's crucial for making smart plays. It's like having superpowers on the court. You'll be able to anticipate moves and react quickly. Wow, you guys are awesome basketball players already. Your hard work is paying off. Keep practicing those dribbling and shooting skills, and you'll be scoring baskets like a pro in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Next up, soccer. One of the most popular sports in the world, loved by millions. Soccer is all about fancy footwork, quick thinking, and most importantly, teamwork. It's a game where every player counts. Get ready to score some amazing goals with these super fun drills. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, these drills will help you improve. First up is the dribbling drill. Dribbling is the foundation of soccer, allowing you to move the ball up the field with control. This drill will make you a dribbling wizard on the field. You'll be able to maneuver around defenders with ease. Grab your soccer ball or pretend you have one, and let's get started. You don't need much space, just a small area to practice. Start by dribbling with the inside of your foot. This helps you keep the ball close and maintain control. Just gently tap the ball forward, keeping it close to your feet. This way, you can change direction quickly if needed. Imagine you're dancing with the ball. Feel the rhythm and let the ball move with you. Now let's try using the outside of our foot. This technique is great for quick changes in direction. This is a little trickier but super cool once you get the hang of it. It adds an element of surprise to your dribbling. Use the outside of your foot to gently push the ball forward. Practice this until it feels natural. Remember to keep the ball close to your feet and stay in control. Control is key in soccer. Ready for an obstacle course? This will test your dribbling skills and make practice more fun. Find some cones, toys, or anything you can use to dribble around. Set them up in a zigzag pattern. Try weaving in and out of the obstacles using both the inside and outside of your feet. This will improve your agility. This will make you a dribbling master in no time. Keep practicing and you'll see improvement. Now let's move on to the passing drill. Passing is crucial for maintaining possession and creating scoring opportunities. Passing is all about teamwork. It's how you connect with your teammates and move the ball up the field. Grab a friend, a family member, or even just imagine you have someone to pass with. You can even use a wall to practice. Stand a short distance apart and practice passing the ball back and forth. Start with short, easy passes. Use the inside of your foot to pass the ball. This gives you more control and accuracy. Aim for your partner's feet and try to make a nice, smooth pass. Consistency is key. Communication is key in soccer, so don't forget to talk to your partner and let them know when you're about to pass the ball. This builds trust and coordination. As you get better and better at passing, try increasing the distance between you and your partner. This will challenge your accuracy. You can even try passing the ball in the air. This adds a new dimension to your passing skills. Just remember to keep your eye on the ball and focus on making accurate passes. Precision is important. Soccer is a fantastic sport that teaches you teamwork, coordination, and how to control the ball with your feet. It's also a lot of fun. Keep practicing these drills, and you'll be a soccer superstar in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Chapter 3. Tennis time. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of tennis where every serve and volley brings a new thrill. Ready for some tennis action? Let's hit the court and have some fun. Tennis is a super fun sport that's all about hand-eye coordination, quick reflexes, and awesome serves. It's a game that challenges both your mind and body. Let's grab our rackets and learn some ace drills. These drills will help you improve your skills and get you ready for some serious tennis action. First up is the ball toss drill. This drill is essential for mastering your serve. This drill helps you perfect your swing and get ready to hit some amazing shots. Remember, a good serve starts with a good toss. Grab your tennis racket and a tennis ball, or you can pretend you have them if you don't have any nearby. It's all about getting the motions right. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and hold the racket in front of you. This is your ready position. Now toss the ball up in the air with your non-dominant hand. Make sure the toss is high enough to give you time to swing. As the ball comes down, swing your racket and try to hit the ball in front of you. Aim for a smooth, controlled motion. Focus on your grip and make sure you're holding the racket firmly but not too tightly. A relaxed grip helps you control the racket better. Keep your eye on the ball and try to hit it in the center of the racket. This is where you'll get the most power and control. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't worry if you miss a few times. Every swing gets you closer to mastering the game. Now, let's move on to the wall rally drill. This is a fantastic way to practice your strokes and improve your consistency. This drill is great for practicing your hand-eye coordination and keeping the ball in play. It's like having a practice partner who never misses. Find a wall, any wall will do, and stand a few feet away from it. Make sure you have enough space to swing your racket comfortably. Hit the ball against the wall and try to keep it going as long as you can. This will help you develop a steady rhythm. Count how many times you can hit the ball without missing. Challenge yourself to beat your previous score each time. This is a fun way to challenge yourself and improve your tennis skills. Plus, it's a great way to stay active and have fun. Tennis is a fantastic sport for all ages, from young kids to adults. It's never too early or too late to start playing, and it's a great way to get some exercise and have fun at the same time. Whether you're playing singles or doubles, the excitement never ends. Keep practicing these drills and you'll be a tennis pro in no time. Remember, the key to success is consistency and having fun while you learn. Chapter 4. Fitness Fun. Finally, let's cover some super fun general fitness drills that will make you strong and super fast. These drills are like superpowers for your body. First up is the jump rope drill. This drill is a classic for a reason. It's awesome for your heart and coordination. Grab a jump rope, or just imagine you have one, and let's get jumping. Start by jumping with both feet together. Hop over the rope as it comes around, nice and easy. Now set a timer for 1 minute and see how many jumps you can do. Count out loud as you jump, or ask a friend or family member to count for you. Once the timer goes off, write down how many jumps you did. Can you beat your score next time? Next, let's try the sprint and stop drill. This drill is like being a cheetah, super fast and agile. Find a safe place where you have some space to run. Get ready to sprint. When you're ready, run as fast as you can for 10 seconds. Imagine you're chasing after something exciting or running away from a playful puppy. After 10 seconds, stop suddenly. Catch your breath and get ready to sprint again. Repeat the sprint and stop drill a few times. This will help you build speed, agility, and quick reflexes. It's like having super speed. These fitness drills are so much fun, and they're great for keeping your body strong and healthy. Remember to always warm up before doing any exercise and cool down afterwards. And most importantly, have fun. Thanks for joining us today, Wellness Whiz Kids. Which sport do you love the most? Let us know in the comments and share your favorite drills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and active videos. Remember, practicing these drills will make you a sports superstar in no time. The most important thing is to have fun, be a team player, and never give up. You can do anything you set your mind to. See you next time. Keep playing and stay awesome.